Craftsman is a line of tools, lawn and garden equipment, and workwear. Product is sold since 1927. Craftsman continues to provide high-quality products and services to global customers. The Craftsman air compressor is engineered for high output and no maintenance, and delivers industrial power and results with improved durability under tough job site conditions. 10-gallon tank combined with a powerful 1.8 HP UMC motor delivers lasting performance. Long life, oil-free and maintenance-free pump for convenient ongoing use. With 2 large wheels and a durable handle, it's exceptionally easy to transport from project to project. It boasts a maximum PSI of 175 and quick inflation speeds to tackle all of your projects with ease and efficiency. Finish your projects easier and faster with a Craftsman air compressor. Key specifications: air capacity, 10-gallon horsepower, 1.8 HP number of quick coupler, 1 maximum pressure, 175 psi wheel diameter, 2x6-inch wheels rating, 5 CFM at 40 psi, 4 CFM at 90 psi motor type, UMC gauges size, 1. 5-inch cord length, 6 feet air filter type, plastic drain valve, ball valve sound level, 80 dBA packing size, 26. 57 x 13. 98 x 24. O2 in policy, 1-year limited lifetime. Warning notes: keep this equipment away from children and people under 16 years old. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Air compressors still take up very important roles in air tools as provide the continued pressure air resource to various tools. Occupy 1 fast refill air compressor, generate high pressure air and under the quiet environment is the most requirement for job site workers and home air staffs. Craftsman air tools dedicate to provide these oil-free maintenance-free air compressors. UMC motor generates a strong air force at only 80 decibel sound noise and ensures the low temperature easy start features. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Powerful performance. It can run 5 CFM at 40 psi and 4 CFM at 90 psi with a maximum PSI of 175. The 10-gallon tank provides greater stored air power. Powerful 1.8 HP UMC motor maximizes air tool performance. Number 2. Versatile. Boasting a maximum PSI of 175, the compressor is ideal for a variety of projects including nailing, bolting, stapling, fastening, hobby painting, and inflation. Number 3. Durable. It features an oil-free and maintenance-free pump for convenient ongoing use, which provides better tool operation and fewer costs. Number 4. Portable. Rugged wheels and a big handle for job site portability make the unit easy to transport from project to project. Number 5. What you can get: 1x compressor, 1x quick coupler, 1x6 feet cord, 2x1. 5-inch gauges, 1x air filter, 1x ball valve, 1-year limited lifetime. Number 6. 2 sensitive gauge 2-gauge build-in air tools, 1 for measure the tank pressure, 1 for measure the pressure of the tool. Number 7. Stable quick coupler. 1 quick coupler to adopt pneumatic tools, high quality and more than 5,000 times connect test certification, fit for 1/4 NPT standard air tools connectors. Number 8. Safe valve, automatic air tank pressure safety valve, automatic maintenance, the tank internal air pressure, automatic and manual 2 modes, no worry about the safety of the tool issue when running this device. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. Is either the unit or the compressor made in China? Just returned a compressor that failed after only a few hours of use. Answer: the whole unit is made in China. Question number 2. How many amps to run it? Answer: this unit is a 15 amp branch circuit requirement and a 120 volt unit. Question number 3. Is this large enough to blow out a 9-zone sprinkler system? Answer: this air compressor working pressure max 175 psi, 5.0 SCFM at 40 psi, 4.0 SCFM at 90 psi. It depends on the working pressure needs of your tools. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.